A state CID investigation has exposed the nexus between a high-profile builder and a top police officer in Maharashtra. Let's take a look at this report, which has more details.
A high-profile builder pitched against a prominent police officer. A classic plot in the making. But only this time, the police seems to be playing the villain. A senior IPS officer has been charged with falsely implicating builder Rajendra Chaturvedi in a murder plot. Now with the state CID closing in on the arrest of this officer, the ugly builder-police nexus is back in focus.
It seems the case is taking a new turn as we proceed with the investigations. The statements of the witnesses are being taken under the supervision of our seniors.
Rajendra Chaturvedi of Shripati Builders was arrested in March this year. The charges: he tried to get business rival Rashmikant Shah of the Vijay Group killed. Sharpshooters hired by Chaturvedi were caught just minutes before they got to Shah. Chaturvedi was arrested by the Juhu police and released on bail later. But it's only now that the real story has emerged, following CID investigations, which indicate that the entire operation was pre-planned to trap Chaturvedi at the behest of Shah and done under pressure from the IPS officer.
Right now is not a good time to comment on this. The CID is investigating the case and they will come out with the truth.
Chaturvedi is now all set to ensure that the police officers responsible for framing him pay for it.
Today, if some senior officer says that I was not aware of it and my juniors were involved, then it is absolutely wrong. Being a senior officer, he is responsible under Section 109 of the IPC.
The case is one of many that highlight the unholy nexus between the police and builders. While many such dealings go unreported, this case seems to be opening a Pandora's box. With Sunil Singh in Mumbai, Satpreet Kaur, NDTV.